Ayan, and we are live na sa ating Facebook group page, S1. So let's start our class discussion. Okay, so introduction to parabola. Don't you worry, ipapost ko itong ang aking PowerPoint sa ating group page. Okay, so let's have our objectives this morning. At the end of the lesson, you are able to recognize the equation of a parabola, identify the properties and parts of a parabola, define a parabola, write the equation of parabola, and transform the standard form of equation of a parabola to general form and vice versa. So let's start. When we say parabola, a parabola is the set of all points in a plane that are equidistant from a fixed line called directrix and fixed point called the focus. Directrix is called the fixed line of parabola. Focus is the fixed point. Again, directrix is a line, focus is a point. Okay, both of them are both fixed. Fixed line, directrix, fixed line of a parabola. Focus, fixed point of the parabola. Now, you need to learn also the difference between line at saka line segment. Again, you need also to know the difference between line at saka line segment. When we say line, it means it's continuous, extendable. Ang line kasi, yung may arrow sa both end. Kagaya nito, directrix. Kaya nga, if you're going to graph or graph directrix, it should be a line at dapat may arrow at the end. Ang ibig sabihin kasi ng arrow, that means it's extendable, it's continuous. Ang line segment kasi class, ang line segment may hangganan. That's finite. Ang line segment, meron siyang endpoints. Ito yung drawing ko ngayon. Yan, that this is a line segment. Meron siyang endpoints at the end. Okay? Walang arrow at the end yung line segment. Okay? Kaya nga class, itong parabola dito na nakita ninyo na graph, it should be may arrow. Dapat may arrow ito at the end. Kasi that graph, that means the graph of your parabola is extendable. Ma-extend pa siya ito. Okay? The same also with constructing a Cartesian plane. I found out na gumawa kayo ng Cartesian plane pero walang arrow both ends. Walang arrow both ends. It should be my arrow both ends kasi it means a number line means extendable pa yan siya. Okay? Infinite kasi yung number line. Kaya nga dapat may arrow both ends dapat, a Cartesian plane. The same with also your graph. Kaya nga itong graph ito sa parabola, dapat may arrow yan both ends kasi that means it is continuous pa, extendable pa yan siya. Ang line segment kasi may hangganan. Okay? Remember also directrix, baka mag-graph kayo ng directrix, baka isang line lang. It should be may arrow both ends. Dapat may arrow both ends talaga yung directrix. Again, directrix is a fixed line and the focus is the fixed point. Take note of that one. Next, we have here axis of symmetry. It is a line that divides a parabola into two equal parts. So if this is your parabola, this is your axis of symmetry. Siya yung magdi-divide sa parabola into two equal parts. And alam nyo ba na ang axis of symmetry, it passes through our focus. Di ba? Itong nag-red ko na point, ito, this is our focus. Basta focus. Pati ang erase. Okay? Itong yung FO na nakalagay dyan, that is focus. Yan, this is our focus. And yung sa baba, directrix. Okay? And axis of symmetry is perpendicular to your directrix. Okay? Axis of symmetry is perpendicular to your directrix. Again, axis of symmetry, a line. Again, it's a line that divides your parabola into two equal parts. It passes through our focus and vertex and perpendicular to our directrix. So masasagasaan yung focus at saka vertex ng ating axis of symmetry. Now, we have this A. This A is what we call the distance, the focal distance. The distance from your vertex to the focus is the same to the distance from your vertex to directrix. Again, actually, na-discuss ko na rin siya last time, yung introduction sa conic section, that the distance from your vertex to focus is the same sa distance from your vertex to directrix. Kaya nga, that distance is called A. It represents A. Now, we have this latus rectum. Latus rectum are also called as focal width. Focal, ito spelling sa width. Tama ni. Tama siya. Okay? Latus rectum are also called as focal width. Ano ibig sabihin ng latus rectum? So it is a line segment. So your latus rectum, it is a line segment. It connects 2 points of your parabola and it passes through your focus. Okay? So madadaanan ni latus rectum ang focus, kaya it passes through the focus. And it is parallel to your directrix. And the length of your focus is 4A. Okay, 4A is the length of your focus. Walang negative na length. LLR. LLR means length of the latus rectum. Walang negative na length. Kasi yung negative na sign, it tells you the direction only. The position or direction of your graph. Next. The general form of the equation of the parabola depends on the axis of symmetry. So magdepende sa axis of symmetry kasi the basis of your axis of symmetry is yung naka-squared na graph or equation rather. Okay? Later on, malalaman niyo yung paano kukunin yung yung axis of symmetry. Now, for parabolas with vertical axis rather, the general form of the equation of parabola is ax squared plus cx plus dy plus e is equal to 0, where a, c, d, and e are real numbers and a and d are non-zero numbers. So, there are two major graphs of parabola, vertical axis and horizontal axis. But basically, there are 4 graphs of parabola. Opens upward, downward, left, and right. Now, under vertical axis graph, we have upward and downward. Matatawag na vertical axis graph siya if ang naka-squared is x. Take note ha, sa parabola, isa lang sa parabola, isa lang ang naka-squared. It's either cx or cy. Diba, as you have observed sa circle, it's either, sa circle, dalawa ang naka-squared, si x at saka si y. Pero sa parabola, isa lang ang naka-x. It's either si x or si y. Take note of that one. It's either si x or si y yung naka-squared. And for the parabolas with horizontal axis, we have the general form of the equation by squared plus cx plus dy plus e is equal to 0. So kagaya ng sinabi ko, it's either cx or cy yung naka-squared, and that is the equation of parabola. Okay? Let's proceed. In getting the vertex of parabola, again, vertex parabola, walang center sa parabola. Take note of that one. Okay, please be careful kasi baka may malipat kasi baka sa quiz ko or may question doon na what is the center of parabola? Then confident kayo sa sagot ninyo. So please be careful walang center sa parabola. Vertex lang meron. Okay? In getting the vertex of parabola, it is just the same ang process niya sa pagkuha sa center sa parabola. Again, yung pagkuha ng vertex sa parabola, same lang sa pagkuha ng center sa circle. Again, ang pagkuha ng vertex sa parabola, the same process lang sa pagkuha ng center sa circle. Now, let's proceed to the four different graphs of parabola. I already included here the formula of focus and directrix, but siguro there is a separate lesson for that one in getting the focus and directrix, especially sa graph of parabola. Kasi separate natin yan siya. So let's focus muna tayo sa vertex at saka the openings of the graph. So we have here, if the graph opens upward, the equation is ito. Pag si x ang naka-squared, again, pag si x ang naka-squared, it's either upward or downward yung graph. Again, pag si x yung naka-squared, it's either si x or it's either upward or downward yung graph. Saan tayo magbe-base if upward siya? Itong 4a, ito yung latus rectum natin. Again, that 4a is our latus rectum. If your latus rectum is positive, it's upward. While if your latus rectum is negative, that is downward. If and only if ang naka-squared si x. Again, if si x yung naka-squared, then positive itong latus rectum mo, that means the graph opens upward. Sa kabila naman, if si x yung naka-squared, pero the latus rectum is negative, so the graph opens downward. Okay? Si x yung naka-squared, so it's either upward or downward. But the latus rectum is negative, so that means the graph opens downward. Inom tubig kayo lang eh. Okay lang na. Okay, next. How about pag si y ang naka-squared? Pag si y ang naka-squared, the graph is either opens to the right or opens to the left. Magdepende lang din siya sa latus rectum. So we have here si y ang naka-squared, then positive yung latus rectum natin, that means the graph opens to the right. Again, si y ang naka-squared, positive ang latus rectum, and that means the graph opens to the right. Sa kabila naman, si y pa rin ang naka-squared, pero negative na ang ating latus rectum. So, y ang naka-squared, negative na ang latus rectum, therefore, the graph opens to the left. Okay? So, dali lang, di ba? The basis is yung naka-squared lang at saka yung latus rectum natin. So, Here are the important parts and properties of the parabola. The vertex of parabola is at H and K. Always partner ni H si X, always partner ni K si Y. In getting the vertex of parabola, it's the same process also of getting the center of the circle. The same lang yan siya. You are going to equate them into zero. Kagaya ng example dito. Ito na sa board. Example ko yan kanina sa other section. The axis of symmetry or the axis of the parabola is a line that divides the parabola into two equal parts. It passes through our focus and our vertex. So dadaan yung axis of symmetry sa ating focus and vertex. And also take note that the axis of symmetry is perpendicular to your directrix. Okay? Axis of symmetry is perpendicular to your directrix. Now, the focal distance A is the distance from the vertex to the focus, and it is also the distance from the vertex to the directrix. So they are just the same. The distance from your vertex to the focus and the distance from your vertex to the directrix is just the same, and it labels or it represents A. Actually, no, other books or other references, the variable they used is it's either B or C. So ang ginamit ko ngayon is A kasi mas comfortable ako sa A kasi yan yung ng crush. Charot lang bitaw. Yeah, si A si A kasi yan yung ginamit namin when I was in college. So nakasanayan ko na rin kaya A. Pero if you do advanced reading about the parabola, if nakita niyo doon C or P ang ginamit, then you are comfortable to use that variable, and I have no choice. It's up to you. Okay, but ang ginamit ko lang is A lang. Kasi A. Wala naman crush na A. K raman. So the latus rectum is a line segment connecting 2 points of the parabola. Again, latus rectum is a line segment connecting the points of the parabola, and it passes through your focus and parallel to your directrix. And the length of your latus rectum is 4A. Another term for latus rectum is focal width. Sinadyo ko yung intermission number ng mukhaon. Yeah. Actually, you can eat dyan. Oo, pwede man kayo kumain. Yeah, even face-to-face class, nagkakaon ko wala nagkaklase. Yeah, maglaway ako mga estudyante. Of course, gina-allow po na ako mga estudyante mukhaon. Even face-to-face, wala problema na sila sa kuha. Nalandyo ba ang estudyante, bugoy kayo? Excuse me, sir, mag-CR me. Pagbalik niya, dalang pagkaon. Di ba? Usay kay nang di na ko sila pasudlon. Kaya naman, mag-CR lang makaya sila pero pag manghatag na sila ng food, pasudlon na ako. Okay, let's continue. Ayan, let's have our example. Where do broken hearts? Where does the graph of the parabola given by our equation, as you can see in our screen, in your screen rather, y minus 2 squared is equal to 12 times x plus 4 open. Ano ang opening ng graph?
To the right, sir.
Sino yan?
Isaiah, sir, to the right.
Yeah, it's to the right. Bakit siya to the right?
The latus rectum is positive.
Okay, then sino ang square?
Ang y ang square, sir.
Okay, very good.
Sorry.
Si y ang naka-squared. Then si positive ang ating latus rectum, which is 12. Now, I have a question. What is the vertex? What is the vertex of your parabola?
Negative 4 and positive 2.
Okay, the vertex Class, sorry, dyan kayo sa background noise ha, kay nagadok-dok na sila, oh. Namang ibong kagunon nga building, tapos napoy gi-renovate sa taas. So, kani nga building siya is gidagdagan siya ng 2 floors. Then sa other side, marag na i-demolish nga building. Yeah. So, parang ano talaga, may construction dito. Okay. The vertex is negative 4 and 2. Sir, I thought 2 and 4. 2 and negative 4. Remember, this is x, this is y. Or the h and k. Diba sa ordered pair, mauna si x, mauna si y. Or mauna si h, mauna si k. Tama? If you are going to equate, this one, this is x plus 4 is equal to 0. Ito na ako nagadok-dok siya. Mahadlok ko basig madok-dok, maabot din martilyo. So equate x is equal to negative 4. Negative 4. Yung si y naman, equate y minus 2 into 0. So y is equal to 2. Okay ha? Sa ordered pair xy, so mauna si x or mauna si h. Dili maglibat-libat. Kay na daghang mamali-ani pag dili mag-care. Okay? How about this example?
Downwards, sir.
May nag-raise na ng hand. Yes, Serrano.
No, sir. Ano, sir, downward.
Bakit
Kasi
downward?
X yung naka-square, tsaka yung latus rectum is negative.
Okay, naka-squared si x. Very good. The negative ang ating latus rectum. So this is downward. Okay, how about our vertex? Yes, Kyla May.
The vertex, sir, ang x, sir, kay 1 and the y is negative 4.
Okay, very good. Okay, thank you. Your vertex is 1 at saka negative 4. Okay, so how about this one? What is the length of your latus rectum? Length, ha? Hindi sa latus rectum, but the length of your latus rectum. Yes, Manikes. Yes, Manikes?
Ano, sir? Negative 4?
Okay, so thank you. This negative 4 is your latus rectum. But the question, length.
Ay,
Okay,
4 lang.
walang negative na length
4
because
lang di ay, sir.
it's just a direction. So yes, Manikes, ano na yung length natin?
4 lang di ay, sir, na ano.
Very good. So again, the LLR, okay class, LLR yung clue, LLR. Anong may ibig sabihin ng LLR? Length of the latus rectum. Okay? The length of your latus rectum is 4. Your latus rectum is negative 4. But the length, again, there's no such negative na length kasi that negative is just your direction or the position of the graph. Okay, take note. So, the length of the latus rectum is 4 units. Okay? Di ba? Pag hindi given yung unit, inalagay mo talaga siya ng units. So, take note ha, the length, walang negative na length. The same with distance. Walang negative na distance, it is just a direction only or the position. How about this one? What is the length of your latus rectum? Anybody? Yes. Yes, Tyron.
12, sir.
Okay, 12. So very good. So paano nakuha ang 12? Di ba? This is x. So wait for a while. X minus. So wait lang ha kasi wala akong nagamit og mouse pad at saka mouse. X minus 6 squared. This 12y, yeah. If you are going to factor out this 12y, this is 12 times y minus 0. Tama? This 12y is the same with 12 times y minus 0. If you are going to distribute that one, the answer pa rin is 12y. Okay, so the answer, the length of your latus rectum is 12 units. Now, how about the vertex? Yes. Jarvis, yes. What is the vertex, Jarvis?
The vertex, sir, is x is positive 6 and y is 0. Y.
The vertex is positive 6
And 0, sir.
and 0. Very good. Okay? So, very good. So, yan yung vertex natin. Okay. Now, let's have this practice test. This is number 1, this is number 2, number 3, number 4, at saka number 5. So, this time, kindly comment to our chat box, mine number 1. Mine. Online shopping. Kindly comment below mine. Mine number 1. Kasi magsagot sa yeah, may nag-chat na. Yes! Mine number 5. My number 1. My number 1. Yes, Jarvis Rojo. What is your answer? The graph opens.
The graph opens upward, sir.
Okay, the graph opens upward. Let's try to check. Very good. The graph opens upward because ang naka-squared si X.
Isang x and positive ang iyang
Lattice rectum.
length of
Yes, Navato. Sabi niya, my number 2. Yes, Navato. What is your answer for number 2?
To the right, sir.
Okay. The correct answer is to the right. Very good. Because ang naka-squared si Y, then positive ang ating latus rectum. Yes, Manikes. My number 3.
Ano sir, downward because square ng x tapos negative ang lactus ay LLR sir.
Yeah. The LR. Yung LLR length yun. So the latus. Class, hindi lactus. Latus. Baka ano kayo. The latus rectum is negative 8. So the graph opens downward. Ay, nigawas ng number 4. Sorry. The number 4 is opens to the left because ang naka-squared si Y, then negative. Diba? Meron itong invisible na 1. Tama? May invisible yan siya na 1. So negative 1. So that's negative, so to the left. And lastly, for number 5, yes, Batak.
Opens to the right, sir. Kay positive man ang latus rectum.
Yan na 12. At saka Y ang squared. Tama?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, how about this one? Kindly comment mine below. Kung gusto magsagot, kindly comment mine. Mine. Yeah, tura. Yes, Kayla Espina. What is your answer?
Sir, upward, sir, because the squared ang x and 2 is positive.
What is the vertex?
Ay, vertex. Sorry, sir. The vertex is x is positive 2 and y is positive 3.
Okay, so tama man din sinabi mo kanina that the graph opens upward. Then the vertex is 2 and 3. How about the other one? Yes, Maliksi. What is our vertex, Maliksi?
Our vertex is 7 and negative 7 and negative 2, sir.
Okay, very good. Next. Yes, Orine.
Sir, the vertex po is 0 and positive 8.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay, so the vertex, it should be 0, 0. Okay? So, bakit 0, 0? Diba, x squared automatically 0. Yung kanina, yung itong negative 8y, this is, if you're going to factor out this one, this is negative 8. Labas yung negative 8, then y minus 0. Kaya 0 pa rin siya. Kaya the vertex is 0, 0. Next, sino pa? Yes, how about this example? Mind crush. Yes, Manikes, what is the vertex?
Ano sir, positive, x is equal to positive 9 tapos y is negative 1 sir.
Okay, very good. The vertex is 9 at saka negative 1. Or for our last example, yes, Polinar. Polinar, answer. Polinar? Polinar, are you there? What is our vertex, Polinar? Ah, nawala ako net, sir. Okay. Sige. Let's have Lastimosa.
Sir, the vertex is at the point of origin 0, 0 po.
Okay, very good. The point of origin. Okay? Let's proceed. Now, how do we write the equation of